In this video, we're going to touch base on contact lists, creating lists and assigning contacts to a specific list. And I want to preface this video with, this is a very limited feature. This is really just utilized for a quick reference. So you're only going to see these lists on the contacts page. You're not going to be able to connect these lists to automation. You're not going to be able to connect these lists to any types of triggers or campaigns or anything like that. So just keeping that in mind, I will show you a little bit more. We heavily recommend using tags instead of lists. Lists are really just a new feature that is to be connected to a few features that we're actually rolling out in the near future. For example, the auto dialer we plan on rolling out is going to be connected to lists, but right now it's not as relevant as it will be when these other features do eventually roll out. But you will go into settings, you'll choose lists, and you can create a list just by selecting this button right here. I also would like to say there's a second way that you can create a list. It's by going to the contacts page and selecting create a list right here. So after you have named the list and added a description for any sub-users in your account to very easily be able to pick up where you left off, you'll create that list, and here we are. Now again, it's automatically going to add every contact in your system to this list. So you can, again, very quickly reference contacts in this list, but you cannot do with any of this data what you would like the same way you can by simply filtering out by a contact tag. So you can go through and quickly reference, hey, all of these people are in this certain list type. You can check the entire list at once, add them into a campaign. You can very easily delete all of them, put them into a different list. You can have people in multiple lists or remove them from the list altogether. But we, again, heavily recommend using tags in place of lists. If you have any questions on this, certainly let us know. But that is just a quick reference on creating a list and properly utilizing it. Again, very limited, very limited. We recommend using tags for now. For all of your contacts, use tags in the same ways you planned on using lists.